This is November 12th again, and we're about to get a signal trading our TED automated TF trading system at dynamictradingassistant.com. Just gonna pause it and let you see how this trade takes place as it develops. Okay, we have a pending order coming right here. Let's see if we get filled on it. Just hang out and kind of ride this one out and see what happens here. See, our pending order will trail this guy up as it continues to move up. The order will move up with it. Pending. There we went short. Looks like at 721.4. So again, I'll pause it and then periodically replay it. Log back in to see what develops. You can see the market's trying to hold support here, about ready to break down. Just trying its last line of support before we see some new lows. Looks like that may have been it. One last little bounce. Ted likes this trade. Let's roll with it. Okay, it looks like we're starting to break down a little bit. Here's our entry. We took out the lows. Let's see if we can get some volume to kick in. A little Momo. Things are a little slow today. Not a whole lot of action after the holiday. There we go. We're starting to break down a little bit better. Get a nice move coming here. Let's just let this roll and see where Ted decides to get out of this trade. Get some more nice pressure to the downside here. Ted doesn't have an actual target that he goes for. It's more he exits trades based on the actual move of the trade and what's going on. So if it's falling like this, he'll stick with it, and he'll exit on a pullback. Right now it looks like we're up about a little over 2 points. About $200. Another good trade, so we're up about, right now if we exit this position, we'll be up about a little over 500 per contract. Let's hope this trade keeps going without running up the time too long. It's going to be a long video to watch, but I want to keep it on here so you guys see exactly how Ted is doing this, that it's fully automated. I'll show you a live trade, entry and exit. Yeah, I'll put a little music on the background. helps pass the time. See if it helps the market move. Alright, you know what? I'm just going to go ahead and pause this because the market's just kind of stuck here. I don't want it to be a super long video, but I will update periodically, and then on the exit I will finish this trade up. Alright, let's see. We might get an exit here shortly. See how this little bounce does. If we get any more of a substantial bounce in this, Ted will jump ship and take his profits. He doesn't like to choke it down too much to where it limits it. He likes to stick with the trade. It's nice to see a little down leg. The trade is taking a little bit longer than we'd like to see, but you know, as long as things go in our favor, we don't mind sticking with it. See if these lows can be taken out or if they decide to hold it here. Alright, looks like it's continuing to break down and we're still in this short trade. Creeping up on 3 points here. One more tick will be 3 points. Another healthy trade. Alright, let's see how this support acts here in the market. We're not trying to predict anything, we're just letting Ted do his thing. See if this bounce is actually going to hold here. Alright, this has turned into a long trade. I apologize for that long video. But as you know, anything can happen when you're trading. Let's give it a few moments here and see what plays out.
Order filled.
Alright, there we go. We exited the trade. The profit of, looks like 1.8 points. Not a bad trade with a max potential of just over 3 points. Looks like about 3.2, 3.3. So another $180 added to our bank on one contract. So we're up to about $490 on 2 trades, trading a single contract on the Russell with Ted.